Great Britain, also known as the United Kingdom, is a sovereign state located off the northwest coast of continental Europe. It comprises 4 countries: England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. The country has a rich history and culture that has influenced the world in many ways, from literature to music and fashion. When it comes to British cuisine, it is a fusion of various culinary traditions, including Roman, Anglo-Saxon, and Viking. British cuisine has been influenced by the availability of ingredients and spices, and it varies regionally. Fish and chips, a dish made of battered fish, usually cod or haddock, served with chips, French fries. Sunday roast, a traditional Sunday meal featuring roasted meat, usually beef, lamb, or chicken, roast potatoes, vegetables, and gravy. Full English breakfast, a hearty breakfast consisting of eggs, bacon, sausages, beans, black pudding, grilled tomatoes, and toast. Bangers and mash, a dish made of sausages and mashed potatoes, often served with gravy. Cornish pasties, a pastry filled with beef, vegetables, and potatoes, often associated with Cornwall. Scotch eggs, hard-boiled eggs wrapped in sausage meat and breadcrumbs, then fried. Yorkshire pudding, a type of bread made from batter, often served with roast beef. mess, a dessert made of whipped cream, crushed meringue, and berries.